Sunday. Welcome to the vlog week 46 maybe. I'm at the airport, headed home, leaving wonderful Scottsdale, and headed back to cold Chicago. But it's going to be a big week because I'm packing my apartment up and I'll be moving in less than 2 weeks. We also have Thanksgiving in between there. So there's a lot going on. But right now my main focus is to find food. And there are very limited options at the airport. My flight boards in 45 minutes. So I have just enough time to eat something and get on my long flight. Well, it's not that long. It's 3 hours. It's not long. I am currently, I'm folding clothes because I just got back from my trip from Phoenix, or from Scottsdale, and I came home and now it is time to pack. Like, pack up my apartment. This is why this whole look is like this. So I made some progress tonight. I should have shown it before and after, but look at those, organized. I'm very proud of myself. I have some random boxes here, and then my dad's coming tomorrow with some more of these. These are from Costco, these bins. And then I'll have to pack up the entire kitchen, which I just can't. And then I also have to pack up my bedroom and my office and my bathroom. So really those 6 boxes are just a little start, but it's a start. I don't know how much I will be vlogging simply because, but there's not much going on. Chicago has this stay-at-home advisory. You don't really, I guess it's advised that you stay home and only go out for essentials, which I did this morning. I went to Trader Joe's when it opened at 8 a.m. today, so I didn't have to wait in line. Other than that, I guess I'm stuck at home, so I might as well pack. It will help when I have those additional boxes tomorrow. And then if I don't have enough, I'll just order some from Amazon because I don't have a car and that's gonna be a pain in the butt to get. I would show you in here. Actually, I can, hold on. There we go. So this is the office of what's left of it. So I have my desk and some bags and some stuff here. Honestly, I don't know why I have so much stuff. So I'm just gonna finish folding my clothes, then I'm gonna watch Grey's Anatomy. Yes, I still watch Grey's Anatomy, and I watched the first hour of the 2-hour series, not finale, the whatever, opener, whatever it's called. And I can't wait to watch the second half. But I promised myself I would get things done, and I did. So it's gonna be time to chill soon. It's been a minute since I posted an OOTD, but I had to show you my new leggings from Athleta. So I kind of took a gamble on this color. These are the Salutation 7/8 petite. So to give you an idea, I am 5'2", and I'm normally a size 6. So I got the set. They're high rise, but not too high rise. They're perfect. They're really soft. I realize there's no seam on the inside here. It's only this on the outside. This is from my injury. I'm bandaged up in there. There's also the pockets. And of course I'm wearing a Dudley Stevens, which it gets so hot in my office that there's a good chance I'm gonna have to switch out my top. But I thought I would show you. This is typically my outfit, it's just leggings and a Dudley. But this color, I'll put below the name of the color. I can't remember it. I got black. I wanted black ones with a pocket. And then I was like, oh, I should get navy. And then I saw this color and it was 20% off. So I just bought all 3 and I'm very happy. They're so soft. Update. I wasn't gonna pack tonight, but I did. Let me show you. I packed up the second half of my beauty, which means I only have some random things left, things that I'm gonna keep with me, and it's good. I packed 1 box tonight, 1 box last night, and then I packed 4 the night before that. So I'm making progress. The bathroom is pretty much done. Let's see. So I know that looks like a lot, but that's my travel beauty stuff. That's my makeup bag. I only kept the hair dryer because I have the flat iron, my small one. Steamer, because I might need it. That stuff, travel. And then these I'm gonna just use these towels to wrap things up. So it's really not bad. I then have the entire kitchen, which I think I'm just gonna do this weekend. And also the bedroom, but the bedroom is just folded clothes and hanging clothes. And the hanging one's easy, and the folded, I'll just put in these bins. I'm making progress. The office isn't too bad. The office isn't too bad at all. And it's just those random, I just remembered. I just remembered this stuff in the bathroom. Okay, well, maybe that'll fit in here. What do you think? We'll see, but I am making progress. So part of me vlogging this week is just to prove to myself that I'm making progress packing. I didn't show my outfit yesterday, but I wore a Dudley. Today's another Dudley and another day of those Athleta, what's on there? Oh, that's the mirror, Athleta pants. So this is my like camel color Dudley. It's a medium, whereas my red, my pink, my navy are all larges. This is the Park Slope. Again, these leggings are amazing. They have, this is the 7/8 in a petite, whatever I said the other day. And yeah, I haven't made any more progress packing in this room, but I have in the office, and I have some people ready to take my Chicago picture there and a couple other things. I've also figured out how I'm gonna get this ottoman out. My trolley dolly, my handy trolley dolly. I'll put a link below because like you need this in your life, even if you don't live in a big city for like groceries. This is the trolley dolly. It has a bag where you can put groceries, but this, like I can balance this on there and roll it down the hallway. So I'm gonna get started with work, and I think I'm gonna go for a walk today. It looks so nice out, doesn't it? I think the feels like is like 50. So I'll put a vest over this and probably go for a walk later. Finally out for a walk. I haven't gone out for a walk since Scottsdale. Our final morning on Sunday, we went for a walk. It's Friday, so it's been a minute, but it's been cold. That's my excuse. Where I'm walking to is, I'm gonna go get a COVID test because I was in Scottsdale and I want to see my family for Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna go get a test. I don't have any symptoms. It's just purely precautionary, so I'm gonna get that done. I also have to get blood work done, and all of this is right down Michigan Avenue, about a 45-minute walk. Haven't decided whether I'm gonna take an Uber back home or walk back home. I'll kind of see what the temperature's like, but yeah, I have this vest from Athleta. It's probably bought it about 3 years ago, and I've only worn it a handful of times. I have this thing with vests where I can never figure out, I never think they look good on me. So over a Dudley is perfect. I think the feels like is like 50, 52 degrees. So this is perfect. And it has lots of pockets, and so do my leggings. So I didn't have to bring my fanny pack. All right, I am going to put on some good music and keep going on my 45-minute walk. So it looks like there's a line. Well, I just took my phone out to start vlogging and tell you how the COVID test was not bad. It itches, but it wasn't terrible. And I dropped my phone on uneven pavement, and so now I have cracks all over my phone, and I'm really hoping the screen protector that I have on protected my phone. I can't even tell you how many cracks there are. So, because of the screen protector that I have to actually, I've done this before, I have to go to Belkin's website, request it, they send it to me, and then I have to go to the Apple store to have them put it on. It's a whole process. So, I don't know which address to have them send it to because I move a week from today and it might get here sooner, but it might not. I can't believe I just did this. Like, if I could show you what my phone looks like, it's just not good. Update, I'm only, 10-minute walk to the Apple store on Michigan Avenue. So I'm just walking there and buying a brand new one and not dealing with the warranty. Yes, it would be nice for it to be covered, but my screen's like too bad where like I can't wait a week. So hopefully the line's not too long. Update. I called Apple. They said it was in stock. I walk up to Apple and it's express pickup only. So I'm gonna have to deal with this screen. I'm just like really annoyed right now. So I thought I ordered a screen protector from Amazon because I don't want to have to do the whole Belkin thing. Also, I was cutting my fingers a ton. So this is the screen protector. Like, this didn't crack more when I took it off. This is what it looked like. So let's hope that between now and Sunday, I don't drop my phone. Don't plan on going outside much, but this is why I have a screen protector. I'm about to do a Zoom happy hour with 2 of my friends. Very much looking forward to that. And I was just thinking, okay, so if you haven't been watching my vlog for a while, then I don't even know how to phrase. Okay, so the whole reason I started doing weekly vlogs is because last year I did Vlogmas. And if you're not familiar with Vlogmas, it's when you vlog every day, December 1st through 24th, and you vlog every day. And I vlogged almost every day. It's a lot of work, but it was fun. But after that, a lot of you were like, can you just like keep up with the vlogs? And so then my YouTube channel turned into a vlog channel. So what I'm wondering is, should I do Vlogmas this year? Now, I can't tell you how exciting it will be because, well, they just put like a whole, not official stay-at-home order in Chicago. It's like a warning. I don't know, essentially you shouldn't leave the house. So it would be mostly me, I guess, like decorating my apartment. I don't know what it would be. Would you want to see Vlogmas videos? Would you want to see a vlog every day? Let me know and comment below and let me know if you would want that. I won't be offended if you say no. Trust me. You'll be like, what are you gonna talk about? And I don't know yet. There'll be a lot of random conversations. So yeah, just let me know. It is time. Okay, there's been no improvement here, by the way. Not in the kitchen. Actually, I didn't pack anything today, but I did get some bubble wrap, which is like a sad excuse for bubble wrap. It's so small. It was at Walgreens. But tomorrow is the big packing day. I did sell some items on Facebook, so that is good. And like Facebook Marketplace. Tomorrow's the big day. Let's hope I have enough bins. Actually, yeah, let's hope I have enough. If I don't have enough, I need to know that tomorrow so I can order them on Amazon to pack on Tuesday. That's the goal. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling and jump on my Zoom call with my girlfriends. I've been procrastinating all morning. I'm still in my pajamas, and I think it's time to start packing. I also think that I'm gonna need some packing paper, so I might go walk to Home Depot. It's like a mile away, and then take like the bus or an Uber home. Yeah, I also posted some more things on Facebook Marketplace that I forgot about, like this rug. I've decided to give myself breaks, so I pack for an hour, take a 15-minute break. That's what I'm gonna do. I have made some progress. Some of these are empty. There's more bins filled. I'm not sure how I lifted those up, and I'm still in my pajamas, but I feel like it's gonna look like a mess before it looks better, and now I'm like realizing other things that I wanna sell. Hopefully they will all sell. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these things. We shall see. Can we talk about how ridiculous this is? This is how I have to go out. Can't even breathe. It's cold out. I don't want to wear a coat, so I'm wearing a hat. Well, I'm wearing a vest. I'm wearing long underwear. I'm wearing a Dudley, and it's sunny, so I need sunglasses, and it's COVID, so I need a mask. So this is how I'm going to Home Depot. Oh, I have gloves too, so here I go. Progress update. I forgot about my baking cabinet. So now I have all those. It looks like I have a lot more. I keep saying that, but I have made progress. There's all of my boxes, and that one's full also, and I'm almost done with this. So yeah, soon. I then forgot about why do I have so much kitchen stuff? Why? Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna finish up packing. It's 5 o'clock. I am probably gonna be exhausted, so I am going to stop vlogging for today and for this week. So I want to say thanks for watching, and I know I mentioned it earlier, but let me know if you want me to do Vlogmas or not. And also, I've been reading the comments as they come in this week. Thank you for the suggestions on YouTube ideas. I love the one about Christmas and holiday traditions, and then there was another about Chicago architecture and different buildings. I love all of that. The Christmas is gonna be hard this year simply because well, like my whole family's not getting together for Thanksgiving. Hopefully for Christmas we are. I will be moving on Friday, and my goal is to like decorate for Christmas, but I'm also gonna have to like unpack a lot. I don't know, I'm rambling. I will try and do that. And then in the new neighborhood that I live in, which will be the West Loop, which I've lived in before, there'll be a whole new set of buildings and things to look at. Lots of great restaurants that hopefully will be open soon. If not, they're open for like takeout. Yeah, wish me luck. Wish me luck. I hope that when I come on here tomorrow for the vlog for the next week, that things are pretty much packed up. So thank you for watching. I hope you're doing well, and I will see you next week. Bye.